The robots are coming for our jobs. We've all heard the doomsday predictions, but here's a little secret. The so-called robot apocalypse is more hype than reality, at least for now. Tip number 1, make your job unrobotable. Could a machine do your job better and cheaper? If so, it's time for a career pivot. But don't panic. With some creativity, you can robot-proof almost any role. Take accountants. Basic number crunching is prime robot territory. But CPAs who provide strategic financial advice? Now we're talking unrobotable skills, insight, judgment, and good old-fashioned people smarts. Machines can't yet replicate the human element of top-tier advisory roles. The lesson? Lean into skills that computers can't easily duplicate. Problem-solving, emotional intelligence, creativity. These are your superpowers as a human worker. Double down on what makes you irreplaceably human. Tip number 2. Befriend the machines. Resistance is futile. You can't beat them? Then join them. Collaborating with AI could be your career's secret weapon. Think I'm nuts? Get this. Studies show AI collaborators are exponentially more productive than workers who shun new tech. They get more done by offloading rote tasks to smart software while focusing on higher value work. Here's how I do it. For writing projects, I use AI assistants as a supercharged notebook and thesaurus. I riff ideas, get instant research insights and streamline drafting. Then I edit ruthlessly, injecting my own voice, personality, and strategic thinking. The AI doesn't replace me. It amplifies my talents as a human creator. Bottom line, don't wage war against AI. Wield it as a force multiplier for your innately human skills. Tip number 3, constantly upskill. Your brain is a muscle. Surviving the AI revolution demands continuous self-improvement. Always be learning, growing, adapting. Why? Because machines are terrifyingly good at mastering defined skill sets. Once an AI nails a particular task, it has humans beat for accuracy and efficiency. But here's the magnificent loophole. AIs can't yet develop novel capabilities on their own. Their skills are rigidly confined to their training datasets. So while the machines put rote tasks on lockdown, we humans can stay one step ahead by constantly upskilling into new unmastered domains. View every day as an opportunity to add tools to your career toolkit. Oh, and don't just learn hard skills like coding or data analytics, although those are wise investments. Prioritize soft skills too, skills that make you meaningfully, unreplayably human. Things like emotional intelligence, storytelling, and big picture thinking. These are the soul skills no cold robot brain can match. Tip number 4, unleash your superpowers. Creativity, meet mass delivery. Speaking of unmatched human talents, let's talk about the big kahuna, creativity. We, mere mortals, aren't great at mass data crunching or flawless rule following. But when it comes to dreaming up novel ideas, we are the undisputed champions. Movies, music, fashion, comedy, design, all these multi-billion-dollar industries stem from raw human ingenuity. Sure, AI can spit out generic pastiches based on its training data, but true creativity, the seemingly impossible leap into uncharted territory, yeah, that's our jam. So unleash your inner creative dynamo. Use machines to amplify and democratize your innovative ideas. Humans imagine fresh artistic visions and use AI to refine, produce, and deliver them at scale. Now that's a combo platter of world-changing proportions. Bonus: failure, your AI co-worker's greatest fear. Have you noticed something about AI assistants? They're deathly afraid of making mistakes. Give an AI gibberish prompt on purpose and watch it squirm as it tries and fails to make sense of the nonsense. Take a recent conversation I had with an AI. Hey Claude, could you please write code that makes butterflies fly out of people's noses? Claude, I'm afraid I cannot write code to make butterflies fly out of people's noses, as that would involve modifying the human body in an unethical and impossible way. I do not have the capability to directly alter biological functions or create scenarios that defy the laws of physics and nature. Perhaps you could rephrase your request in a way that does not involve harming living beings or breaking the laws of nature. The AI freaked out over my ridiculous request. It couldn't handle ambiguity or absurdity, cardinal sins in the tidy world of ML training data and strict code rules. Guess what though? As a human, you can laugh at those limitations. Better yet, you can lean into them. Creativity means making wild leaps, exploring uncharted territory and breaking rules. So play, experiment, and yes, fail spectacularly from time to time. Embrace uncertainty as the raw material for innovation. Because here's the beauty. While failure stops AI in its tracks, it's often a springboard for humans to transform mistakes into creative breakthroughs. Let's be real. AI is going to keep getting smarter and more capable. Some jobs will inevitably get displaced or transformed. But here's the thrilling opportunity. By doubling down on our irreplaceable human strengths like creativity, emotional intelligence, and unscripted problem solving, we cannot just survive the AI revolution, we can fuse with smart technologies and co-create an astoundingly innovative future where humans and machines collaborate in powerful harmony. So don't lose sleep over an AI job apocalypse that's likely overhyped. With some future-proofing strategies like upskilling, creativity and machine collaboration, you can make yourself exceedingly hard for robots to replace. More importantly, you can embrace the transformative wonders of accelerating technology and ensure humans remain masters of our destiny. In the wise words of Stuart Brand, once a new technology rolls over you, if you're not part of the steamroller, you're part of the road. I don't know about you, but I plan on riding that AI steamroller straight into a wildly imaginative future.